Modoc High Mountain Zippers, October 27th, Thursday. Young birds and old birds up there, 2016 with some of their parrots. So some of the young ones are a little sloppy at times, but they're learning. This is some of the best of the 2016 so far that I bred. There's about 7 or 8 babies up there right now with the parrots. A lot of babies are showing a lot of promise, but these so far that's moved up to this kid has shown the best promise. I'm really liking what I see out of some of these pairs. So some of these pairs look like they clicked to me. If these babies can keep up the good work and stay stable throughout the rest of the year as flying, I'll fly them all through the winter into next year, and we'll see which ones make the grade. I ran out of wheat, so right now I'm just feeding them a 15.5% no corn, cut 50% with Milo until I can get down and pick me up some more wheat. I prefer same thing, but I fit 50% wheat, 50% of the mix. I prefer, but so far the Milo's doing okay. Yeah, they're doing okay. I think I get a little better quality spin and a little more depth with wheat. But hey, it is what it is right now. Coming back around. Nice. Nice.